We use this hat on window film that we purchased from Amazon. See the link on the description box. This product is not sponsored. We just wanted to try it. Let's start. First, clean the window glass. I used a magic eraser to remove all the dirts. Make sure no dirt or dust in the glass or else it will bubble up the area and it's very visible. Then, measure the window film on the glass. After measuring, you can use industrial tape to help secure the film and it will not fall on the floor. While measuring, you can see if the design of the film is vertically or horizontally. At this stage, you can now cut the film by using a cutter and a ruler. Before you cut, make sure that the film is properly stretched and in an exact size of the window glass. This way, you can see if it is symmetrical and you'll not have the hard time to look for the continuous pattern if ever the pattern didn't go through. This is how it looked like at the bottom of the window film. Now, you can slowly remove the thin film at the back. Press the portion of the film that needs to be stick on the glass. Before you remove the thin film at the back, make sure that there's still some water left. If it all dried up, you can just spray a little water on the glass and then you can just remove everything. At the bottom, you can stretch gently the film so that it will properly stick on the glass. Check if there's still some bubble left on the film and then you can just press gently and move that bubble toward to the end of the film. So in this part, I need to remove some of the water at the bottom because most of the water just dripped down. I also did our front door and its viewing panel. And this is how it looks like after you finished applying the window film. So this is the main door inside and then the viewing panel on the other sides. And this is how it looks like outside. And I also did our kitchen. At night, this is how it looks like. This is our main door. And the kitchen.